Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2019 Honda Odyssey. This vehicle still has fewer than 100,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Prepare to fall in love with this sleek and powerful Odyssey. Its connectivity and ingenious cabin features make navigating your life's many demands easier and more convenient, while its advanced safety tech protects your most precious cargo. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, backup camera, V6 cylinder engine, power liftgate, fog lamps, electronic stability control, third row seat, blind spot monitor. Peace of mind is a beautiful thing. You'll enjoy that and more when you drive away in the Honda Odyssey. Take it out for a road test today.